This comprehensive PGDAST course was originally delivered through live sessions by the official instructors. We are uploading these sessions here to support students, and all credit goes to the respective teachers and instructors.
Then we will take in the last. It means that if minimum come from machine A, then we take in the beginning, and if the minimum come from the machine B, then we take in the last. So in this question, the minimum is 1. It is corresponding to J5, and it is from machine A. So we put in the beginning of the sequence J5, and the second minimum is 1, and it is corresponding to the B and J3. So we take the job J3 in the last. After these, we delete these J3 and J5 from the sequence, and then again search for the minimum time. Now the minimum time is 2 and is corresponding to machine A. So we put J2 after the J5, and again cancel this one. Now minimum time is 4, and it is 4 for machine A. So we and corresponding, sorry, it is J1, and it is J2, and second minimum is 4, and it is come from machine B. So we put here machine 4. In this way, we can find a sequence of the jobs. After that, we find the total time. First of all, we write the sequence of the job here in the first column, and write machine A, machine B, because there are two machines, and write time in and time out, time in and time out. Here we start for J5, and J5, the timing of J5 is when we start our work, then the time we take the initial time is 0, and first of all we try to complete the job J5. So we start with J5, and machine A takes how many minutes of J5? Machine take 1 minute to complete the J5 job. So if the initial time is 0, then the out time will be 1, because machine A take the 1 hour, 1 minute. Similarly, after completing the job on machine A, the job will go to the machine B. So time in for the machine B is 1, because machine A free the job 5 after the 1 hour. So at that time machine B will be idle, and machine B will take how many hours of J5? Machine takes 8 hours to complete the job J5. So if incoming time is 1, then the outgoing time is 1 plus 8, that is 9. Okay, now when the machine A is free, then he take up the another job, and next job in the sequence is J1. So it will start from 1, and J1, machine A takes 2 hours to complete the job J1. So here we write, it means that 1 plus 2 hours is equal to 3 hours. So machine J1 job will be complete after the 3 hours. Now, but after the 3 hours, the machine is also busy for the completing the J job 5, and it will free after the 9 hours. So as the machine J5, sorry, as the machine B will free after the 9 hours, it will take the second job, that is J1 job, and start the J1 job, and machine B takes how many hours? For J1 to complete the J1 job is 3 hours, and start at the 9, and take the 3 hours. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 hours. So after the 12 hours, the J1 job will be completed on machine 2. Similarly, Machine 1 is machine A is free after 3 hours, and again take up J2 job, and it will take 4 hours on J2 job. It will take 4 hours for J2 job, so it will free 3 plus 4. It is free 3 plus 4 is equal to after the 7 hours. And after the 7 hours, again he take the another job J4, and J4, and how many times it will take on the J4? It will take 7 hours on the machine A. So 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So in this way, the work is go through all the jobs, and after and the total times by taken both the machine is equal to 23 hours. Okay, so total elapsed times is equal to 23 hours. Now the idle times for machine A. Machine A is continuously working 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 19. After the 19, the machine A is free, but the total system is free after 23 hours. So the idle time for machine A is 23 minus 19. It means 4 hours. So idle time for machine A is 4 hours. Now we come on the machine B. Machine B is start working from 1 hour. It means that it will idle to 0 to 1 hour. So 1 hour is there where the machine B is free. Now 9 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 22, 22 to 23. It means there is no gap between the consecutive work. So machine B is ideal for only 1 hour. Okay. In this way, we can find out the idle time both the machines and the total elapsed times by the system. Now, if we come on the next example, the solution of that one. Here again, start 0 to 3, and after the 3 hours, saving will be start. So it means saving machine will be free up to the 3 hours. So idle time for that one, that is 3 hours. Now it complete the first job into the third job. Sorry, third job is into 7 hours. It means that it completes after the 10 hours. Again, this sequence will be continue. If we try to find out the idle time for both the machine, then it will be 0 to 3, 3 to 7, 7 to 13, 13 to 22, 20, 20 to 12. There is no gap between the consecutive time, and the total work and total work is complete after the 32 hours. It means that machine A will be ideal 32 minus 25 hours. It means the 7 hours. Now we come on the sieving. It will be free up to the 3. So it means idle time for a sieving machine is 3. Again, we see the gap between the time 3 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 24, 24 to 30, 32. So there is no gap between them. It means that the idle times for the sieving machine is 3. So in this way, you can find out the idle time for the machine and total elapsed time by taken by the system. In this similar way, if we see there is no consecutive, okay, yeah. Here there is a situation is slightly different. 0 to 3, 3 to 9, 9, ये तो clear है, but 3 to 11, 11 to 17. Now the machine B is free up to the 17 hours, but the machine A provide the jobs after the 19 hours. It means that machine B is ideal 2 hours. 2 hours here. Again, machine B complete the work is 31 hours, but machine A will provide after the 34 hours. It means that machine B start 34 hours. After 34 hours, I hear it means again there is an idle time up to the 3 hours. Again, it is free at time 44 after 44 hours, and but he pick up the new job at 46 because the machine A provided the job at 46. It means that there again two 2 hours are ideal, and again here it is free at 59, but job machine A provide the job after the 66 hours. It means they are 7 hours, again they are ideal. So in this way uh, total idle time will be adding these, and total idle time for the machine A is 66, and complete and the job will be complete after 67 hours, so it means 1 hour. So idle time for the machine A is 1 hour, whereas the idle time for machine B is a large, it means 14 hours. Okay.
Sir, in this question, please tell us how we will arrange the job sequence, because there is a tie between machine 10 hours. Because if we allocate 10 hours to machine A in according to the job, then we come to machine B. There are two cents. And how to allocate which 10 we will allocate?
In which question?
The same question which you are doing right now. Like if we allocate this 10 job machine A to
Okay.
job 5. So this the job, please tell us how to arrange the job sequence in this question.
Okay, I will check. So now we will take the this one E2.
That's two options, and which one to go for?
Okay. Now there are 1, 2, 3 up to 7 jobs, and they will perform on the machine A and machine B. So we try to make the 7 boxes and fill these boxes with the jobs. So first of all we make the 7 box. Now we go for the minimum time. So what is the minimum time? Yes, कोई बताएगा?
One.
Which is for machine B.
So where we put
Job 6.
Job 6 where we put
At the end.
and
At the end, sir.
In last.
last, and we cancel this one. Now the minimum, again minimum
3. Job
3.
1.
Job 1. So job 1 is due to the machine A.
First column.
We put
A.
Column, sir.
yes. So it is cancelled, and again minimum
6. Job 4.
no, again 3.
Second last column. Second last column. This one.
Again 3.
3
Job
and
7.
it is due to the machine B. So we put is in the last. Now the minimum is
6.
6. It is same for machine A and
A
machine
and
B. So we can put
Yes, sir.
4 in the after the 1 or before the 6, as you may like. Both the answer will be same. Okay, so you can put 4 here
Column.
or here.
Okay,
Their
sir.
sequence may be different, but the answer will be same. Okay. Now the next minimum is
Now this 10.
10. 10 is,
Yes.
if we take
Job
this
5.
one, 5, so we put 5 here, and
Yes, sir.
again minimum is 10, 10. So
Yes. Now how to decide, sir, this
yeah,
one?
so we can put any one before. We can put 2 here or here. Okay, so you will get the same answer. So if we take the
But machine A is taking more hours when we see this. Like one is taking 12, other one is 15. So
okay,
it doesn't affect the answer.
okay, we can put the 2 in the beginning and 3 on the last. Okay, but there is no, because this job are lies between the process. So if we put 3 before the 2, so there is no I think there is no change in the answer. If you take 3 here and 2 here, you can do this problem in both the ways and check your answer will be same or different. Okay, Any problem? It is clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. चलिए अब लेते हैं हम नेक्स्ट. आज हम लोग 15 क्यों हैं? आज हम लोग 15 हैं. कुछ और स्टूडेंट शायद आज ऐड हुए हम लोगों के साथ. I don't know. चलिए. So now we take the second part of this sequencing problem, and it is the processing of 2 jobs through M machines. Now the last problem will be last problem was that there are 2 machines and N jobs. Now the situation is reverse of that one. There are 2 jobs with M machines. Okay. As we have taken the example of the sewing and making a shirt. So there are different machines, cutting machine, sewing machine, and packing machine. So there are more than 2 machines. So how will do the job through the more than 2 machines? So there is a procedure, and this is slightly different from the previous one. Here the sequence of the jobs are given, and we have to arrange how to will perform the jobs so that the total time will be minimum and the idle times also the minimum. So in this problem, we solve this problem with the help of graphical method, and you have to understand what is how the graphical method works and how we maybe prepare a graph of this problem. Okay, so now first we describe the steps and then take the example. First of all, represent the processing time of job 1 on different machine along the x-axis and processing time of job 2 on different machines along y-axis. It means that first of all we draw x-axis and y-axis. It is x-axis and it is y-axis, and on the x-axis we take the processing time of job 1, and on the y-axis we take the processing times on job 2. So in this, if we see the example, then this is the time of job 1 and this is the time on job 2. So we mention 2, 4, 3, 6, 6 on the x-axis and 4, 6, 3, 3 on the y-axis. Here we put these in the cumulative form, or we just mark 1, 2. It is 4, 2. It is 4. Machine A. So write machine A after the mark. It is 2. Now after the 2 hours, the job will go for machine B. Yeah, at machine B. Then it will take 4 hours. So we again draw 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will for machine B. And if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now again 3. So 1, 2, 3, and this for machine C. Now again we have to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will be 6 and 6. I think it is 12. No. Yes, 6 and 3. 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9. 9 and 6. 9 and 6 is 15. You write the 1, 2, 3 and up to the cumulative form, and it is the D. And in a similar way, we draw 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is for the job or machine E. In the similar way, we can mark the processing time of job 2 on the y-axis. Okay, this is the first step. Now we come on the second step. Draw the vertical and horizontal lines through processing times as given in step 1. It means that you have to draw vertical lines as this one. It is this. It is for A, and it is for up to 6. So we draw vertical lines up to the 6, and similarly 9, similarly 15, similarly that one. And similar way, we have to draw the vertical lines for the job second. Suppose this one and this one. So we will go for the solution of this problem, this example, and it will be the like this type. So here we have to here the scaling is not clear. Okay, but I will proceed, and how can I do? How can I do? How can I do? How can I do? Manually, we cannot draw in proper way. Just a minute. I will check. There is a way so that we can take a graph on the screen. कोई है ऐसा वे जिसके हम ग्राफ ले सकते हो स्क्रीन पे?
It's okay, sir. We can understand from figure only.
समझ सकते हैं इजीली?
Yes, sir.
नहीं तो हम ग्राफ से ले सकते थे. ग्राफ शायद एक्सेल में है, आई थिंक सर. ग्रिड. एक मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. Okay. Yeah, so we try to understand this one through the graph which is drawn, but it is not in proper way and proper shape. Okay, so we have mentioned the job timing on the timing of processing time of job 1 on job 1 on the x-axis it is 2, and draw the vertical lines. In a similar way, we can draw the processing time of job 2 on the y-axis. And if you see the example of that one, it is first of C 4 and then A. So if we try to write that one, C and okay, CAD. CAD and C is 4 and A is 6 I think, and D is 13. So we can mention again 4 and it is due to C. So we write the C here and again we write the 6 and it becomes 10 and it is 4A, and in similar way we mention 13 and we draw at 4 6 13, sorry it is 3. We draw 4 a straight line at the 4 and 4 or 6 10, we draw a straight line at 10 and again 13 and in the similar way. Okay, and we there are different boxes there, this one, this one, this one, and we cross the boxes which have the common. It means that common means if, because a machine cannot do the same job at a time. It means that where C and C is there, so C is there, C and C, that is, it means that job A is also performing on machine C and job B also performing machine C, and it is not possible. So we draw, yeah, we cross this box again. So if there are 5 machines, sorry, 5 machines, so we can search for 5 boxes which we have to cross. Now we come on the A is here and A is here, then we cross this area again. It is D and D is here and D is here, so we cross this one and this one. Okay, so after drawing or marking the A B C D here and the sequence of the machine here, then we cross the area which cannot be possible. And now we come on the third step, that will be starting from the origin and move diagonally. It means that we start the job, both the jobs on the different machines. Okay, if we move diagonally, it indicate that the our working in on the 2 machines, our 2 jobs are working on the 2 machines. If we move horizontally or vertically, it means that if both the jobs are being proceed simultaneously at different machine at the same time, we move diagonally. If we move horizontally, it means that what it will indicate, if we move horizontally, if suppose we are moving this one, so it means that the job 1 is under processing while job 2 is ideal. Okay, so we try to move diagonally as much as possible. So for that one, we start from that one and we move diagonally. It means that we move at the 45 angle. It is the 90 angle and we try to move as 45 angle. So on the graph, we draw a angle 45 and draw a line, and this line maybe goes to this one. ये possibility थी. अब हमारे पास 2 option है. हमें we have to go at the end of the process, and there are 2 option. First option is that कि we move, यहाँ पे आप पहुंच गए हम तो ऐसे move करें and then again diagonally start करें. एक ऑप्शन ये. दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या है कि हम यहाँ पहुंचे तो हम ऐसे चले पहले, तो बैक तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. बैक पॉसिबल नहीं, तो वी हैव टू स्टॉप देयर, क्योंकि बैक पॉसिबल नहीं है. एंड अगेन हमें पता है कि आगे वी हैव टू टच दिस बॉक्स एंड वी कैन नॉट मूव डायगोनली अक्रॉस द बॉक्स. हम डायगोनली चल सकते इस बॉक्स पे, तो वी हैव टू स्टॉप देयर और टच दिस बॉक्स. तो एज द पॉसिबिलिटी. चलिए देखते हैं कि क्या इसमें हमें फायदा होने वाला है. तो हम यहाँ तक गए पहले, फिर अगर हम देख रहे हैं कि वी आर टचिंग हियर, तो अभी हम पहले टच कर रहे हैं. चलिए फिर देन वी कैन up diagonally we cannot move diagonally, so we move horizontally. And again, but in this process we have left E and B machine, so it cannot be possible. We have to go through the all the machines, so we cannot move such types. So again we try to diagonally and stop there and move vertically. Move vertically means that the processing on job 2 while the job A is ideal. Now after the crossing this box, again we move diagonally as much as possible. So move there, and in the last we have reached there. So we cannot go diagonally or vertically, we can move horizontally. So in this way we reach at the end of this one. Now what is the ideal time for both machines and total elapsed times? So how can we calculate? Now we will go on the next step. Now, yeah, an optimum sequence job is the shortest line consisting of combination of horizontal, vertical or diagonal lines from the origin. Since both the jobs are being proceed simultaneously on the diagonal line, effort should be made to select a path on which diagonal movement is maximum. तो हमें वो path choose करना है जिस पे हम diagonally ज़्यादा ज़्यादा move कर सकते हो. So we first try to move diagonally, but keep in the mind that diagonal movement through the block out shaded area is not allowed. क्योंकि we cannot move diagonally through the shaded area since both the jobs cannot be proceed. क्यों नहीं हम move कर सकते? Because if we move on the shaded area, it means that both the jobs are working on the same machine, which is not possible. Then horizontal or vertical movement is chosen. Keep in the view that total elapsed time should be minimum. The elapsed times can be obtained by adding the ideal time for either job of the processing time for that job. Ideal time निकालना है तो हम पहले we have to add the ideal, if we have to find out the total elapsed time, then we have to add the ideal time of that job. It means that if we find out the ideal time through the job, elapsed time through the job A, then it will, first of all we go for it is 21, and we have to add the ideal time of the job 1. So what is the ideal time of job 1? This to this is the ideal time of the job 1, because it just moving vertically, and if it moving vertically, it means that job 1